So we're in Clovis, California. We're taking a look at some pipe that's leaking up in the attic. We have a shower that was making noise in the wall, so water's dripping somewhere. We came up in the attic and we found it. So this is the cold line going to the toilet and then over to the shower and down. You can see the cold's fine. The hot side, and let's see if we can get a picture of it while it's squirting up here. It's just a fine stream spray, and you can see it right there shooting out. If I put my hand up, you can hear it and you can see it hitting and dripping off of my hand right here. So like I say, it's hard to see that fine spray unless you're up here, but you can see it through the screen. You know, probably after we upload this, you'll be able to see that pretty good. But it's spraying out the side, so this is defective piping. It's cracked, and PEX does that. These are about 95% of our repairs in town. The PEX, which we use, Uponor, about 5%. And they, you know, their warranty, they cover it. They'll come out and repipe your whole home if they have to. So anyways, Nibco pipe, don't know, I believe they have a 25-year guarantee on the pipe. So again, you'll have to contact them to resolve it, or contact the builder since you've been having this trouble while it was still in warranty. And this is going to be specific to all Nibco pipe all throughout your home. It is on the hot side, we'll note that. And we'll go downstairs and let the homeowner know what we're going to do, and hopefully we can repair it from up here. We might have to cut part of the wall open up top, and then outside of that, this inspection is done. So still here in Clovis, California, you can see Nibco, that's the manufacturer. And this is the pipe that we showed you up in the attic. You know, you got water all over everything right now just because water's been rolling through. You can see you know, the water damage, and it's, you know, it's mild. You know, honestly, you leave this open and let it dry out, you should be okay. And that's backer board, which is so this is the back side of the shower. This is the toilet room we're taking the video from. And so, like I say, that repair is so close to the top plate. So you got a double top plate there, 2x4s. And we can't hold on to the pipe while we're trying to get a push to connect fitting on there. So we got to cut it down here, get one fitting on, slide a new pipe through, connect it back up in the attic, and then we're done. So we got some moisture on the cold line as well, but we didn't see anything leaking on the cold side. Water is dribbling down it because these are two holes that are drilled, and so the water is spraying and just working its way down. So we're gonna fix it hot. We'll turn the water back on. Of course, once we turn the water back on, we're gonna go ahead and dry things up on top, dry things up in here, take a look, make sure everything's good, and then we'll take another video when we're done. If we don't take another video, then everything went well, but usually we like to document what we did up in the attic. And so we'll combine these, you know, video 1, 2, 3, put them all together and get it posted for you, and it'll be documentation for your filing with the manufacturer to get repair or warranty work done on this pipe. So we're still here in Clovis, California, and we don't have a video of the repair down below, but basically it's shark bite coupling. So when we get down, we'll take a short video of that up on the wall. What we did up here, you can see the old Nibco piping, 3/4, 3/4 half, 3/4 T right here, 1/2 inch drops down. It was just a real tight turn right here. We're coming, you can see if coming through right there and connecting right here, too tight of a turn for us. So what we did is we tied in down below, and we just took a short little loop, Uponor tubing, looped it around and back in, and that allows it to flow a little bit better. It's not kinked, there's no problem with that. You know, you can turn Uponor pretty tight. You can turn the Nibco pipe as well. Like I say, not Nibco, but we're talking about the PEX. It's very rigid. The Uponor tubing, very flexible, pliable, and so, you know, just a little loop right here. We're gonna get a strap on right there up against the wood just so it stays still, and then we're gonna go down, take a video of the demo that we did in the wall and the repair coupling down there. So that's shark bite. That's approved by code, UPC code, or Uniform Plumbing Code, and so that's good. And a little piece of Uponor tubing going down through the plate. We'll turn the water back on, make sure we don't have any more water leaking from anywhere. We'll dry everything up and get everything fired up and make sure that you're good. But, you know, the whole house is suspect. This is the second time we've been out. The builder is having trouble with this product. And the reason we know is we're Service Plumbing, and we're going all around town following after this specific builder and this tubing. And so there's a problem going on, and hopefully they can get it resolved. But that's outside of our scope of work. We're just reporting the news, so don't be offended if this is your company. But anyway, so we're going to get this strap, turn the water back on, and then we'll take another video down below when we're done. So last part of this video, still here in Clovis, California, and I might be duplicating this. If so, then you'll know when you see it, or I'll edit it out. But so here's the repair coupling down below, and we just a little square. We're leaving that square down there for your drywall guy, so we can patch it back in. And like I said, we're going to turn the water on and dry everything off, make sure that everything's good. And these pipes aren't strapped in the wall, that's not code. I don't know how things get passed off. Every 30 inches minimum is what you're supposed to be. So there might be a block in the wall, but it doesn't feel like it. Anyway, shark bite coupling here, Uponor tubing, up to another shark bite coupling, which we already showed you in the attic. We're going to turn the water on right now, get it tested. Outside of that, this installation is done.